are going inside yourself. Get out of the house. Oh, no, come out, Philly. Look at, oh, no, come out. Oh, no, set of criminals, oh, no. Get out. Junior. Mr. Gallagher, where you going, that me say? No, man, this way I take this thing too far, no, man. What's with it? Who not supposed to be? Me say who no? Because me can't remember hiring a cook from around the area. Someone I like to know what I do in my kitchen.
Hala, how she?
No more see hype, woman.
I never know I serve like them mature.
Mature? You mean all?
Look what I.
Oh, get out of the house. Take one sanitary looking body out of the kitchen.
So friend, I couldn't just finish the big when I start. I beg your bag.
Take your nasty. Come out of the kitchen. Junior, when there? Now you listen to me now, you little boy. Not because you claim says your money by this house. You think you have a right to do as you like inside here. I'm your mother. And what I say goes. Now as soon as I turn my back, you're bringing your jing bang crosses friend them come inside here. I don't want none of them inside here. Or parasite them. You try clear them out, you know. And me and your tender backside inside here. Me and it. Oh.
Hear what mommy say? Yeah, you tender backside.
Yo, something about me, I want to talk to you. What? She keep on pressure me. She call my phone and ask me for money. I can't take them kind of pressure there, you know.
Who that? Susan?
Yeah, man.
You sure she pregnant?
I think so. I kind of see the sign them before she leave the house.
It's one of the worst things when a baby can't get the support, you know. But at the same time, you're not going to know until the baby born.
So what am I going to do?
I'll talk to her for you.
More you talk to Grabsy for me. Tell him say we need more money.
Grabsy. I soon deal with him, man. I have a plan. But just make me use him like when I try to use we. Yeah?
So, what am I going to do about this baby thing?
Talk to her. Be friends with her again. She comes straight. You hear me? Enemies never reconcile. You see me? I'm going to lend you some money, you know. And I want you to give her some of it. Regardless of what you and her have. You hear me? Anything she throw at you, you just calm down, just keep it. You see it? Can you see the truth? The truth is like time. It never influences, but it influences a whole heap.
You make this thing sound easy.
Sound easy. Remember, sound is the communication, not the action. It's a loan that, you know. A loan. Let me get back inside. Because we don't invite yet. And I want to go on the road tonight with some rough mixes. You see me? Yeah. The rhythm balance up already, you know. But just the vocal, I want some water upon it. Good.
Respect, respect.
Good.
Where you learn to do this?
Woman, me done chef.
Lord have mercy, boy. Well, at least now me know me not have to worry about you. When you pick up them careless gal out a treat, who some of them can't even boil water? Me know them can't get you no dirty food to eat now.
You alone was worrying about that, you know, mommy. A man does what he has to do to know what to do when he wants to cook.
Ah!
Hello? Hey, Grandma. What's up? Yeah. I miss you too. I want to come see you soon too. Oh, you want to talk to mommy? Yeah, man. Hold on.
Hello, Mama. What happened now? How you? Mama, how the medicine finish already? What you doing? Eating them or what? Lord, Mama, man. Mama, you have to spend some of the money you have, you know. Enjoy your money, Mama. All right, look here. Yes, I understand all of that. But listen up now, Mama. I'm having dinner. And remember, you said when we're having dinner, we're not to talk on the phone. Remember, you told me that, you know. All right? Yes. So, when I finish, I'll call you back. Eh? Yes, ma'am. I'll call you as soon as I finish, yes? All right, bye. Kiss. Yes. Lord have mercy. My mother no easy, you know. She don't want to spend a cent out of the money where she have. Come, Junior, come for the phone, yeah? Hi, good evening.
Hi, nice to see you. May I come in?
Of course, that's why I leave the door open. Come on. Yes, come this way.
Good evening, Mr. Hype.
My name is not Mr. Hype.
Do you care to tell me what your name is then?
No. But when you speak, I know when you're talking to me.
You know what? I'll allow you to find your comfort zone with me. Hey, Beatrice, I brought something for you.
What?
It's a surprise.
Whoa! How wonderful! Thank you, man. I've never seen bananas this big.
As you grow, the size of your experience grows with it.
You can never see it. Would you like something to drink?
A cup of coffee will be fine.
Well done.
So, Hype, what about me is it that you don't like?
I tell you, say I don't like you.
No, but you will agree, actions speak louder than words.
I don't disagree and I don't agree with facts.
So am I to assume that you don't want me around here?
Ding, ding, ding. You read my mind or something? Eh? Or you just being silly? You're asking my permission to make an assumption?
Based on your attitude, it seems as if you want to give permission to a lot of things around here.
Mommy, there's something about that brother there I don't like.
Stop it. You just stop it. Because the amount of foolishness you carry on within this place today, I don't want to hear it. That is why you cook the food for me today. To sweeten me up.
Mommy, I don't trust that brother there. Him too proper till him fake.
Listen to me. I'm your mother. And I have a right to make big people decisions. No, you just go about your business and leave me alone with my man company here.
Anything you say? But just remember I told you so. Yeah? Anyway, me and the crew going on the road tonight, you know. Going to campaign on a new rhythm I was working on today.
That is nice. Good to know you're doing things on your own, man. Away from your fake friends, them, like Grabsy.
Grabsy. More than 100 Grabsy in the business, you know, mommy. But it's all about how you know if you use them before them know if you use you. Yeah? As I always say, you know. It's better the devil you know than the devil you don't know.
Good for you. I'm so proud of you. Glad to know I didn't raise an idiot.
Anyway, I going on the road with the crew. Yeah? Going to go check some disc jockey and some. See if we can get the song in play tonight. Yeah?
Alright.
Yeah, so I don't trust a brother out there, you know. I would go back out there and see what I'm going on.
Just go on about your business and stop it. Here you go.
Later, mommy, yeah?
Yes, you take care now.
Okay, Hype. See you some other time.
I hope not. I wouldn't hang clothes on that to dry.
Well, even if the sun does not come up, there's enough heat between us to speed up the drying process. The only problem is whether there'll be a fire.
Call the fire brigade then.
They're already on the way.
You're nice.
Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican talk it. You get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this? We are star. Real star.
It's official Benzly Hype Stars. Yeah, my bro. Army G, bless up, you know. We there, son. You want me and my crew stuff? Just get the link here. See, you want Benzly Hype videos, get the link here. Innocent Kru stuff, click the link here. You understand? This is the official video, so subscribe. One of the new things. You see me, I say, we there, I don't know. Been away for a minute, but we're back. So follow me now. Don't know. See?